Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone's model and iOS version so you know which emoji update you can receive. Once done, back up your device to iCloud or a computer to protect messages and keyboard settings. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi and have sufficient battery or a charger connected. System updates can pause without power. Now open Settings, because the next step is to check for an iOS update that often includes new emoji sets and keyboard improvements. After preparing, go to Settings General Software Update and install any available iOS release. New emoji are typically bundled with these updates. Next, open Settings General Keyboards to add or enable regional keyboards and predictive text options, which can affect emoji suggestions. Once updates and keyboard changes are applied, restart the iPhone to allow the system to integrate new glyphs and fonts. Make sure to test the emoji keyboard in Messages and Notes. To finish, open Messages and try the emoji panel. If suggestions or new glyphs don't appear, toggle the affected keyboards off and on, then force quit the app and reopen it. If that fails, check Software Update again, and, if necessary, reinstall the update or restore from the backup you made earlier, because file corruption can block new emoji. As a single troubleshooting tip, if emoji characters render as blank squares or question marks system-wide, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store to address font or firmware issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.